So, as we transition into the second quarter of 2024, technology enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the unveiling of innovations that tech companies have been diligently crafting over the past year. Among the highly anticipated events on the horizon is Google I/O, the annual developer conference hosted by the tech giant. Set to occur on May 14th, Google's I/O conference serves as a pivotal moment for developers, technologists, and enthusiasts alike. Google recently unveiled the official date for the event, accompanied by its customary break-the-loop puzzle. The conference is slated to take place at the Shoreline Amphitheater in Mountain View, California, the iconic venue synonymous with the I/O conference. What's notable about this year's event is that it will adopt a hybrid format, offering both in-person attendance and live streaming across Google's official channels. Anticipated to focus heavily on Google's latest advancements in artificial intelligence, the conference is expected to unveil upcoming features for Android 15, Chrome, Gmail, Google Photos, and various other Google services. Additionally, there are speculations swirling around potential teasers for new hardware, most notably the much-awaited Google Pixel 8a. The announcement of the official date for this year's I/O conference came via Google's dedicated event website, launched on March 14. The event promises a blend of enlightening developer sessions and keynote presentations, all accessible through the I/O website and Google's YouTube channels. While there may be limitations on attendance for developer sessions, interested individuals can register for the event free of charge and receive updates about the schedule and content via email. In line with previous years, Google is expected to delve deep into its ongoing endeavors in the dynamic field of artificial intelligence. Attendees can look forward to learning about the latest features of Chrome, Android 15, and other Google products, building upon the momentum of past I/O conferences. One of the most eagerly anticipated aspects of the event is the potential unveiling of Google's forthcoming Pixel 8a smartphone. Speculations abound regarding its features, with rumors suggesting a 6.1 inches display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and powered by Google's Tensor G3 SoC, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. However, it's worth noting that the Pixel 8a is expected to come with a higher price tag compared to its predecessor, reflecting the advancements and enhancements incorporated into the device. In summary, Google I/O 2024 promises to be an exciting event, offering insights into the future of Google's products and services, while showcasing the latest innovations in artificial intelligence and hardware development. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a and the Google I/O 2024? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.